So, are you sick of asking for permission from your boss in order to book a holiday or a day off so that you can attend an important event? Yeah? Thought so. So, when Steve and I worked for other people, we absolutely hated the fact that if we wanted time off for a holiday, we had to book all our holidays off in one go, literally months and months in advance before anyone else got in there first and picked the same dates as us. And they were just crazy times. Or if we had an important event like a niece's wedding or something coming up, we felt like we were begging for permission to just get that precious day off. And our requests always seemed to be frowned upon, almost like, we shouldn't dare ask for what was due to us. So if you're in the exact same throes as what I'm talking about here, then you should seriously be thinking about this opportunity that is in front of you right now. And something must have intrigued you with our story to actually be sitting on our email list in the first place. And nowadays, Steve and I really, we just get so much choice to do what we want to do when we want. We can go on holiday at the drop of a hat without even giving it a second thought. And we can wake up in the morning on a beautiful morning like today, see what the weather's doing, and we literally can just head off for the day, stay somewhere overnight without even giving it a second thought and without worrying about asking for permission to live our lives. We have that time freedom to be able to make those choices for ourselves now. So wouldn't you want a piece of this? Sure you would. So think back to when you last had the choice to decide what you want to do in your own life. And how many times have you been prevented from doing stuff because it doesn't fit around what's going on with work? It really is ludicrous. But if we could just help you open your eyes to the endless opportunities that an online business can provide you with, you too could have choices in your own life. So you could be the decision maker over what goes on in your day-to-day life rather than a boss taking charge. So what options do you have? You can stay where you are, letting someone else rule your entire life, basically until you get to retirement, or you can step out of that comfort zone you're in and come and see what this online world looks like to you. Honestly, it is the best thing that Steve and I have ever done, and our only regret, we just wished we'd had the guts to jump and come and do it earlier. And all I can say to you is, if Steve and I can do it, and we're no spring chickens, we're no tech, real techie people, if we can do it, you definitely can too. Just believe in yourself.